All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Sunday evening, and it's time to take a look at the West End Watch Company Impermeable. Now, this is a watch that came to me from a watch gang with their platinum watch subscription for November of 2018. I did an unboxing of this watch. If you did not catch that, I will leave the link down below so you can see that video. But this watch, I've had it for 1 week. I unboxed it last Sunday, and so I've had it for a week. Out of 7 days, guys, I've had this watch on the wrist 5 out of the 7 days. In that 5 out of 7 days, guys, it ran an average of 5.5 seconds fast per day. So it's a really well-running watch. I don't have a problem with that. Now, it was worn pretty much all day. I took it off in the evening, so it was on my watch stand, and I did not keep track of whether I keep it face down or face up. So in my watch app, it may be a little bit different for you guys. So let me get into the specifications of this watch. Now, this is the Watch Gang Platinum. So for the Platinum Watch Gang subscription, you're going to pay $299 a month. Now, in the original video in the unboxing, I said $199. That is my mistake. It was $299 a month, and I kept saying it, but in the description below, I did clarify that. So $299 a month, and you're going to receive a watch valued from $500 to $1,200. Now, from what I can tell from West End Watch Company, from Iron Bridge Watch Company, Chad Sagris owns that company. I've dealt with them. I've done a review of out-of-order watches in the past, and they list this between what I've seen from $699, $899, I think, over at Iron Bridge, and I've seen it for as high as $1,299 for this watch. I think the list price I've seen on this at the West End Watch Company website was like $1,180. So think what you will of that, but I want to get into what you get for $299 because I really do think you get a spectacular watch for the money. So this is a 42 millimeter case from side to side on this watch. You're looking at 49.6 is what I measured, or excuse me, 48.6 from lug to lug. So right about 49, but just under. You have 12.5 millimeters of thickness on the polished case. And I'll get into the case because that's something I really, really like on this watch, if it will focus for me. But 12.5 millimeters thickness, and it's running what I think I measured at a 22 millimeter lug on this really nice bracelet that it comes on. One of the nicest features of the watch, I have to tell you guys. So what you have is a Swiss-made watch. Now, West End Watch Company goes back, I do believe, over 125 years. I know that they've sold, you guys don't have to tell me about that. They've sold to different companies. I think around the mid to later 2000s or to mid 2000s, they sold recently to some independent companies. I've kind of followed up on them. It seems like maybe they've had some problem with their marketing and whatnot, but they seem to be an extremely well-made watch. I'm really impressed with this. The watch wears insanely comfortable for what it is, and I want to get into some of the specifications. Now, this watch is running the ATA 2836-2 movement. I do believe that that's a movement that you're going to find in some of the Hamilton watches before they went to the Powermatic 80. So it's going to be a 38 to 40 hour power reserve movement. You're looking at 25 joules. You're looking at a high beat movement of 28,800 vibrations per hour. So it's a very well made and respected movement, of course, coming from ETA. So you can't argue with those specifications there. With the complication in the movement, you do get the date window down there at the 420 position. So very nicely done watch. Now, it's very difficult to find information on these watches. I do believe that they've had some issues. Obviously, they're working with Watch Gang to distribute their watches, which for you guys, I will tell you, especially with this one, you are really getting a whole lot of watch for that $299 you spend for the subscription. So I think it's a great looking watch. Looking at the dial, this is all applied indices. Loomed applied indices. Now, I will tell you right off, we'll do lume shot at the end, but it's not spectacular. The lume is okay. I'm not going to say it's terrible. It lasts through the night. You can definitely read it, especially once your eyes adjust. And I wore it all night long, and about 6 in the morning, I was still able to tell the time, especially after the time changed once it got darker. So not a huge complaint, but when you get used to super luminova applied 15 times and whatnot, this is probably, maybe 5 layers of lume, nothing spectacular, but very normal for what you would expect of divers watches. You have a aluminum insert on this bezel, and what I really like is you guys can obviously see the curvature of that. It's highly polished. It's done very, very well, very nicely done. It's very even with the bezel itself, so there's no slop done there. You have this slightly domed sapphire crystal. Actually, I think it's flat. Sorry about that. It's flat, beveled edge going down to that bezel. You have a 120 click bezel on this watch, and I know I had people mention to me that at first they thought it looked like a Seamaster, and I will point out to you the bezel cuts are completely different. They're not octagonal, which I think the Seamaster has. And I actually owned a Seamaster for a number of years, and I will tell you that one of the biggest pains is that Seamaster bezel, especially once you've owned it for a number of years, and maybe it's just your everyday watch, which it was for me. It really gummed up occasionally, and turning it was very difficult. This is different because you do have these slot cuts in the bezel, which is nice. So easy to operate crown with very nice crown guards, hacking and hand windable movement. I do not need to show you how that works. I'm sure you guys understand that. Looking at the bracelet, it is so well done. Now it tapers from 22 down to 18 at the buckle, which is very well sized. It's really perfectly sized for the watch. And I'll show you how the clasp, it's a simple clasp system, but it has nicely done bars in stainless steel, as you can see there. And while we have this open, let's take a look at the watch case back. You have the West End Watch Company logo there, which is referring to the West End of London. The Everbright, I'm not really exactly sure what that means. Swiss made. So that means 60%, I do believe, of the value of the watch. That was told to me by a viewer of the channel. 60% of the value of the watch is Swiss made. Sapphire crystal. And you have the water resistance of 200 meters. Solid in-links on this bracelet, as you can tell. Now, as you see on the bracelet, you have a lot of brushing done here, and you have these polished side links. When I adjusted the bracelet for this watch, which is a standard split pin adjustment, very simple, which I really actually appreciate. It's a sturdy system, and if the pins wear out, it's very simple to replace them, put new pins in it. But these are separate pieces, so as you do the bracelet, they don't fall out. They're hinged, they're attached to the center link, but they are separate, probably made them easier to polish. One of the things I really love about this bracelet, and I'll get a wrist shot of it, now it's polished on the side, but is the thickness, or I guess lack of thickness. Sometimes I don't know why it would be done, but sometimes people just make a bracelet just much too thick, and I just think it really takes away from the comfort. Now there's all solid construction here, but they made it thinner than a lot of other bracelets I'm used to using, and I think it's well done. It makes it super comfortable. Looking at the case, it's a polished case on the sides, brushed on top. Now I'm going to try to focus in here. Very nicely done on the polish. And one of the things I want to show you guys is the curvature to the side of the case. It's actually not straight, it's actually curved along the side of the case, which makes it really nice. It's a different look than you're used to in your standard subs and everything, or sub homage, which are very flat, slab-sided. Brushed on top of the links. It's a great looking watch. Let me pause the camera and get this on the wrist for you guys. All right, so here's the watch on my 7-inch wrist. It's really an excellent feeling watch, very comfortable. The bracelet is beyond comfortable. I really appreciate what they did on this bracelet. The thickness of the watch at 12.5 millimeters that I measured is great. Sapphire crystal with AR coating on this watch with the ETA movement. For the $299 subscription you'd pay for this watch, it's a great deal. Now, one of the things that Watch Gang does is they offer subscriptions. So, with Christmas coming up, if you have a watch lover in your life that maybe wants to get maybe a few watches, and maybe you don't know what to pick out, they start at $29 for their memberships. They go to $99. That's $29 is the basic, and you receive a watch, I think, between $50 and $150. At $99, I believe you get a watch from $150 to $500, and then with the platinum membership, which is what this one, the West End Watch Company was, you get a watch valued from $500 to $1,200. And at least this month, I can tell you guys, I think you get a watch that hits well above the $299 price point. So, all right, guys, let me dim the lights and let's go out with that lume shot. This is a really nice looking watch. Now, like I said, the lume isn't spectacular, but it does last all night long. So let me dim the lights and let's go out with that lume shot. All right, guys, so stay tuned this week because I'm really going to try to pack some videos in. I got this one tonight. Definitely going to put one up tomorrow. I got some stuff coming in from GearBest. Iris sent me some really great watches. So there's the lume. I mean, like I said, guys, nothing to scoff at. It actually looks really great in the video. And it does last all night long. It's just sometimes when you're used to Seiko lume and exploding and popping. But I have to admit, I can't complain about this. I've worn this watch as much as I possibly can in the last week. But, you know, being a watch collector, I have a lot. So, all right, guys, this is the Watch Gang Platinum, subscription watch for November of 2018. So, all right, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.